Hi, I'm Jim Holmes. I'm an executive consultant with Guidepost Systems. That's my independent consulting company. I'm here to talk a little bit about my workshop, Learning to Lead an IT Team. This workshop is something that's very close to my own heart. I wrote a book on leadership, The Leadership Journey. This workshop is very hands on and it's full of very practical learnings on what you need to do to discover your own leadership style. This isn't some talk that's full of best practices. It's not a lot of there are a few slides, but the idea is that the workshop helps you discover things like how you can learn to deal with humans on your team, how you can learn to overcome concerns about losing your technical skills, about managing people that are more technical than you, about how to interact with the business, things like setting priorities. So it's a very practical workshop. I've always gotten really good feedback from it. People seem to learn a lot. They seem to be fired up, and I hope you can join me. It's something great, and hope to see you there.